Let me assure you, you will come out of this crisis soon. Going into fear is not a solution for any problem.
Pranam Krishnaji and Preetaji. I'm Rajiv from Sri Lanka. My question is, many lost their jobs and have no hope about how it's going to be. Also no idea how to recover from this breakdown, which is leading in increase of stress and suffering. Also, as youth, we need to have a word of hope to perceive things positively and prepare ourselves for the next move when the situation gets into control. How to see this situation as an opportunity to rise back.
Let us now get on to the spiritual plane to answer your questions. If, as a young person, you want to use the currents of this crisis to rise higher in life, you must hold on to one central insight. You must realize that a problem is different from suffering, and that problems need not keep you in suffering. Let us get into it. Problems are external challenges and hardships. What you are speaking about is an economic problem. When this economic problem hit you, it is most likely you went into panic or anxiety. This is natural. This anxiety, panic, or sadness is internal. It is a mind state. This unpleasant and painful inner experience is what we call suffering. If you can dissolve the suffering state of anxiety and come to a state of inner stillness, you will find intelligent solutions to your problems. It is only from this state of stillness you will be able to connect to the universal intelligence or the divine. When you are connected to the universal intelligence, intuition will flow through you on what your future direction should be. As a mystic, I can also assure you that if you dissolve your anxiety, move into a beautiful state of connection, and truly yearn to make a difference to others through your career, the universe will come together to support you. So, as the first step, go ahead and do the serene mind practice. Dissolve your suffering, and you can cut through your problem. It is true, these are tough times. Many have lost their jobs. Many people's savings have dwindled. Many companies have fallen in their value, and this is a global scenario. It is just not in India, Sri Lanka, China, or United States, Australia, or Europe. This is happening everywhere. But let me assure you, you will come out of this crisis soon. Going into fear is not a solution for any problem. This crisis can be an extraordinary opportunity for world leaders and economists to come up with economic systems and structures that are built on real wealth. This crisis is a proof to all of us how fragile, how hollow, and gaseous our financial structures are, and how easily they can be destroyed. One virus infestation for less than 2 months, and nations have become so much poorer. It is unfortunate. I am not an economist, but as a philosopher, I have the faith that the world leaders will become wiser and come up with more sustainable economic solutions.